Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I will be showing you guys how to make Guyanese cow face sauce. Alright, normally like on a Fridays and Saturdays, mostly like on the weekend, bars and so would sell like sauce. They would sell like the chicken foot sauce, the cow face sauce, the white pudding, the black pudding, you know, and people use it as like cutters. So I would like you guys to know that I also have a white pudding video up on my channel, a black pudding video, a chicken foot sauce. I will leave those video in the description box down below, right? I'll leave the link for those videos. Alright, so today I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious sauce. Oh my god, my sauce tastes so good. You guys are gonna enjoy it, trust me. So I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious sauce, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright, and follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. If you're new to my channel, for October month I upload about, I think about 23 videos in all, so you guys could go back and check all my videos for October, because this month was really tough for me, but I did 23 videos so far. Alright, so you guys should go and check out those videos and let's run those numbers up as well. Alright, and support me, and you guys can share my video as well. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my Guyanese cow face sauce. Enjoy. Hi guys, this is my recipe for my Guyanese cow face sauce. Alright, so first we have some Wiri pepper, onions, Eshlotte, celery, and we have 2 cubes. Also we have some cucumber here, and here we have our cow face, some black pepper, lime juice, vinegar, and some all-purpose seasoning. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna do is put a pot with some water and you're gonna pour the cow face into the pot, right? What I like to do, I'm gonna let this boil for about 5 to 10 minutes, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so this has been boiling for about 10 minutes, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour out all of this water straight away. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, so I pour out all the water, so I'm gonna put fresh water in it. So I just put the fresh water. Okay guys, so I just poured the fresh water, so I'm gonna put this cow face now to pressure. Alright, so the reason why I throw away that water because I want to get rid of the rat nest. Alright, so when you pressure this now, you could able to use the water that you pressure it, because it's going to be the clangy. You need the clanginess. A lot of people like the clanginess of when they eating the sauce, so the mouth could be a little pasty. Alright, so this water you can pressure the cow with now, you could able to use that to make your sauce because it's fresh water, because you already allow it to boil about 15 minutes and get rid of all the ratness. Alright, so when I finish pressure, we'll be back. Okay, before you pressure it, it's optional though. You can flavor your pot. So I'm gonna put 1 cube, and I'm gonna put in my Wiri pepper. Alright, so I'm gonna put it to pressure now. So we'll be back when I finish pressing. Okay guys, so my cow face finally finished pressing. This took forever, my god. Whew. Anyway, I'm gonna turn off my stove and I'll show you guys the next step. This is how it's looking here. Yummy. I'll show you guys the next step. Okay guys, so I just pour out the sauce out of the pot and I put it into this glass container. So I'm going to put in my cube, put in the other cube. Then I'm going to put in my shallots, celery, onions, break them up into circles. Put my rest of celery here, my shallots. I'm gonna mix it up. Also gonna put in some vinegar and some lime juice and some black pepper. Stir. You also should put some thyme, but I don't have the normal thyme, so I'm gonna put the powder. So I'm just gonna put a little tip of my thyme powder in it. It's optional. Like I say, this is how I like to make my Guyanese cow face sauce. Alright guys, let me just taste it and see if it needs some all-purpose seasoning. Let me taste it. Yummy. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put one more cube in it. It's so hot, but this is how I like it. So I'm gonna mix it up. Oh, one more ingredient, my cucumber, and you're gonna mix it up. All right. Oh, this looks so good. Oh my God, this is gonna be so delicious. All right, so let me taste it. Perfect. You don't need nothing else now. All right, so this is the end results for my Guyanese cow face sauce. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. All right, and follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. All right, today is Vlogtober day, I think day 24. Yeah. All right, so please watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel, and support me guys. All right, thank you. Bye. I'm gonna enjoy my delicious cow face sauce right now. Yummy.